Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read to you a story called The Thing Lou Couldn't Do. This book is written and illustrated by Ashley Spires. The author is the person who writes the book. The illustrator is the person who draws the pictures for the story. I'm going to predict, which means I'm going to guess what's going to happen. And I'm going to predict that this girl and her cat are characters in the story. Let's see if I'm right. This is Lou. Lou and her friends are brave adventurers. They run faster than airplanes. They build mighty fortresses. They rescue wild animals. Lou is pretty sure she is going to be a deep-sea diver when she grows up, or a race car driver, or maybe a pirate. Let's play pirates. Yeah, we just need a ship. Up there, the tree can be our ship. This is new. Lou has never climbed a tree before. It will be an adventure, says her friend. Lou loves adventures, but this adventure is up. She likes her adventures to be down. Lou suggests a not up a tree game, but her friends have made up their minds. Come on, Lou. Last one up has to walk the plank. She'll be there in a minute. She just needs to change her shoes first. In Captain Lou Skullbuckle's opinion, the couch makes a fantastic pirate ship, but Mom disagrees. It's a beautiful day. Go outside and play with your friends. Fine, but her first mate is coming too. Ahoy! Land ho! Arr, mateys. They're still up there. Come up, you landlubber! Lou tells them that her arm is sore. And anyway, the cat needs a walk. Also, she read once that you shouldn't climb so soon after eating. There are so many reasons not to try. I stepped on his leg this morning. His funeral is in 5 minutes. I just figured out I'm part fish and need water to survive, so if you'll excuse me, I'll be in the bathtub for the rest of my life. That asteroid is headed right for us. Run! My tummy hurts. I need to sit down. I can't climb the tree. We'll show you how. She wishes her friends would just leave her alone. She's fine down here. Besides, she doesn't even want to climb. What's so great about climbing trees anyway? Okay, friends, I'm going to pause here because I want you to think about something. So go ahead and put your hand on your forehead. We are going to think about what Lou is feeling right now. What do you think she's feeling right now? Do you think maybe she's feeling nervous? She's never climbed a tree before, so I'm sure she's feeling a little bit scared. I bet maybe she even feels frustrated that her friends aren't playing pirates on the couch like she wants to. I wonder how she's going to solve this problem. Let's read and see. I can see all the way to the North Pole from here. The treasure is that way. Arr. Oh, that does look pretty great. If only Lou could climb trees. Show off. Meow. Maybe she can get up there without climbing. There must be lots of other ways to get up the tree. A trampoline? A pole vault? A helicopter? Sadly, helicopters are hard to come by. We're under attack! All hands on deck! It's a call for help. Shiver me timbers, those scallywags need a captain. It's time for Captain Lou's school buckle to climb aboard. This pirate captain has faced some pretty scary things. Sea monsters, hurricanes, even a super bad brain freeze. And now Captain Lou Scuttlebuckle is going to do the scariest thing of all. She's going to climb this tree. Ugh, she must be nearly there. Thud. She knew it. She can't climb. Are you okay? Meow? Not yet, anyway. Prrr. Last one to the castle has to swim the moat. She'll be back, maybe even tomorrow. After all, Lou loves an adventure. The end. Wow, I love how Lou decided to change her mindset about climbing the tree. She wasn't able to do it today, but she decided she wasn't able to do it yet. She was going to keep coming back and keep trying. Is there something that you can keep going back to and keep trying? Maybe it's something with your schoolwork. Maybe it's something at home. I want to encourage you, just like Lou, to not give up and to think about it as if that it's something that you're not able to do yet, but you will be able to one day if you keep practicing. Bye, friends.